Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get BNB into your Coinbase wallet. Since Coinbase Wallet doesn't directly support buying BNB, you'll need to use an external exchange. We'll walk through the steps to acquire BNB on a compatible platform and then securely transfer it to your Coinbase wallet. This guide will help you navigate the process smoothly and efficiently. First, you'll need to acquire BNB on an exchange that supports it. Popular options include Binance or Coin. After creating an account, complete any necessary identity verification, which might take a little time. Once verified, you can then purchase BNB using your preferred payment method, whether that's fiat currency like US dollars or another cryptocurrency you already hold. Now let's transfer your BNB. Open your Coinbase wallet and locate your BNB Smart Chain or BEP20 receiving address. On your chosen exchange, go to the withdrawal section for BNB. Paste your Coinbase wallet address there. It's crucial to select the correct network, which is usually BEP20. Always double-check the address and network before confirming the transaction to avoid any loss. After a short wait, your BNB should appear in your Coinbase wallet. You can check your balance to confirm the successful transfer. Remember that a small network fee is typically involved with these transactions. With your BNB now safely in your wallet, you're all set to explore various decentralized applications, participate in DeFi, or use it for other purposes within the BNB Smart Chain ecosystem.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.